Once you know that the holy Dharma protects you from all the fears of samsara and the lower realms, and is the source of benefit and happiness in this and future lives, and that the teachings of the sacred Dharma will therefore never let you down in this life and future lives, or in the intermediate state, you have to have faith in it. It has been said, day and night, apply the precious wheel of faith to the path of virtue. And Fairh comes before all else. Like a mother, it gives birth to all. The root of all Dharma is faith. Who was it who taught this doctrine of the holy Dharma? It was the unsurpassable teacher, the precious Buddha. That is, the unsurpassable teacher, the incomparable, peerless king of the Shakyas. He is the lion of the Shakyas, who as the dharmakaya is Samantabhadra, as the sambhogakaya is the great Vajradhara, and in his nirmanakaya form is Shakyamuni, the protector of beings.